Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your Bluetooth is not working on your iPhone. Now, I have a couple of AirPod Pros here, and let's say you wanted to connect to some headphones or maybe an external speaker or maybe even a car Bluetooth. Now, the first thing we're going to check to see is to make sure the volume is turned all the way up. It might sound simple, but there are two different places to be able to turn that volume up. The first one is in your settings. Let's scroll down until we get to Sounds and Haptics. Tap on Sounds and Haptics, and there you can see is ringtones and alerts. Let's turn this all the way up. However, this is just for ringtones if people call you or text you, etc. This is not the volume on your external Bluetooth speaker that will basically turn up the volume for music or videos. To do that, we're going to swipe down from the top right, and there you can see a different volume slider. Let's turn this volume slider all the way up. So now we know that the volume is all the way up. Check to see if it works at that point. If it doesn't work, let's go back within your settings and go to the very top until we get to Bluetooth and tap on that. Now, an easy fix is let's just toggle Bluetooth off here and wait for a few seconds, and then we'll toggle Bluetooth back on, essentially just disconnecting and reconnecting to everything. Here you can see Trevor's AirPods, and if I open up the case here, I can tap on it and I'll be able to connect to those AirPods. However, let's say it's still not working even though it's connected on here. Let's tap on that little eye right next to it. And within the AirPods or whatever Bluetooth device you have, if you scroll to the very bottom here, you'll be able to see at the bottom it says forget this device. Let's just tap on forget this device and tap on forget and then hit forget. Essentially, this will remove this device from your Bluetooth device list. After you've done that, let's go through the process of pairing it again. So if I open this up, I can hit the connect button, and then it says hold the button on the back. So I'm going to hold the button on the back of those AirPods. And when I press and hold on it, it should go through the process of connecting. I might need to open this case up here and then press and hold to reconnect. Essentially, you're just pairing it again with your phone. You can see, all right, now it is paired. I'm going to just hit not now and set up later. And there we can see it's connected again. Now, if this doesn't work for you, there are a couple other things we can do as well. Let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. And from the beginning of the settings, let's scroll down until we get to General here and tap on that. And then we're going to scroll down until we get to towards the bottom, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Just tap on that. And then we'll tap on where it says Reset at the very bottom. This will allow us to reset a variety of different settings. And in here, we're going to choose to reset your network settings. The nice thing is this resets all of the settings for Bluetooth, your cell data, your Wi-Fi, etc. You can just tap on that and then enter in the passcode for your phone. This almost always fixes it, and then you can reconnect to that external Bluetooth device. However, if you go through that process and for whatever reason it still doesn't work for you, the last thing I would recommend doing is doing a hard reset on your iPhone. So to be able to do that, let's hop out of here and we're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then we're going to press and hold that power button until we see an Apple logo. So I'll show you how that works. So let's do volume up, volume down, and press and hold that side button. Now it says slide to power off, but you're just going to keep holding down that side button until you see the entire iPhone screen go black, and then you'll be able to see an Apple logo appear. After that Apple logo appears, just like that, you can lift your finger up, and it does a hard reset or reboot on your iPhone, fixing tons of issues, including Bluetooth issues. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.